Hey beauties, how are you? This is your girl, J Baby, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I am super excited. Oh my goodness, because this has been sold out for a very, very, very long time. And I finally got my hands on this baby here. Okay, so you see, I just got it in the mail. I did not open it. All I did was just scratched out my info. And I want to be able to open this with you guys. And it is the Parish Corner Car Fusion, and it's a Lychee perfume, which is 3.4 filled ounces. And y'all, I'm excited because they say that this is a dupe for the Kayali Eden sparkling Lychee. So y'all, by the way, let me tell you something. I went yesterday with Bay, and we went to like an all-you-can-eat buffet, and they had lychees there. And I was like, I never tried a lychee. Let me try it. Girl, that thing is so sweet and tastes delicious. That's my first time ever tasting a lychee. So, also lychee, if you ever see something that has lychee, L-I-T-C-H, lychee and lychee is the same fruit. But I did not know that until, you know, I had to research it, girl, and I ate that lychee. I was like, yes. So, I have my notes here with Amazon. And it has on here the perfume. You will see it. Sorry about that. But I want to just go ahead and do this unboxing with you guys. I have my Kayali, like my Discovery ones, but at the same time, it doesn't have the lychee in here. The sparkling lychee, but I did smell it, so I know what it smells like. I have a lot of dupes, y'all, for Kayali. The Yum Pistachio right here, and the Eden Juicy Apple. So I wanted really to have it in my collection because it's expensive. It's really expensive, and don't nobody have time for paying all that. Plus, it be sold out. The lychee, the Kayali lychee be sold out a lot. So I was like, you know what? I could have got like a travel size, but I couldn't find a travel size. So I'm like, you know what? Let me just go ahead and get a dupe and see if it is like it. Because I'm excited about it. This is how it comes packaged. Okay, this is her. This is she right here. I'm excited. So I'm going to be reading the notes of the Kayali Eden Sparkling Lychee, as well as the Car Fusion, to see if they compare to each other. And we're going to smell it. We're going to try it out. I'm going to open this up and everything. So this right here that I have, oh, they have so much, y'all. They have so much. I want to read this from Amazon. So Amazon has on here, it's, what did it say? Girl, I'm not reading all this. Okay, okay. Oh my goodness, they have so much stuff. What? Get out. Girl, I finally found the notes. It says it's a 3.4 full ounce fragrance notes. Top notes are blackcurrant, red apple, lychee, Italian lemon. The middle notes are jasmine, sambac, candied violet, damask rose. The base notes are sandalwood, cedarwood, musk, and vanilla. Now, that is what's inside of that. So I want to go ahead and read the notes of what's inside of the Kayali fragrance, which is the fragrance is fruity floral. The key notes is blackcurrant, sparkling lychee, candied violet. The top notes blackcurrant, sparkling lychee, Italian lemon, red apple. The middle notes is rose, damascusina, candied violet, jasmine, sandalwood. The base notes is sugar, amber, cedarwood, and musk. They are very, very similar. Very similar. So, I know that with the Kayali, girl, you can get, I mean, that thing is a beast. It's a powerhouse, okay? That's on beast mode. I see why it sells out. So we're going to go ahead on, and we're going to get into opening up the package. This is what it looks like right here. Okay. Oh, girl, you can smell this thing as soon as you open it. That's how it comes. Oh my goodness, this smells so good. Look at this. This is the bottle. She's a gorgeous one, isn't she? She is so gorgeous. Oh my goodness. She looks like, now this one is from Parish Corner as well. This is the the dupe for Yum Pistachio. This smells amazing. Okay, so let's find out what she does, okay? So I have smelled the Kayali Eden Sparkling Lychee already. I smelled it so much that I know it completely. I even sprayed it on me, went into Sephora, sprayed it on me and walked around with it. Went into the other Sephora, sprayed it, and you just to spray it. Okay, so I know what this smell like enough that I wanted to get a dupe, or I wanted to get it itself. So let's find out what this smells like right here. If this smells like it, I don't know. I've never smelled this one before. I don't know. So let's go ahead. The bottle is very, very weighted. It's a heavy bottle, like that bottle up there. I don't know if you have that or not, but it is very weighted. The bottle is very gorgeous, very good, very ladylike. Okay, the top is kind of like, can you hear it? It's not plastic. You hear that? That's me dropping it. Okay. The bottle is glass. This is what this is. So, oh my goodness. Okay, I am excited to smell this, okay? So, it has on here Fusion and Parish Corner. So, let's go ahead on. I'm going to get a couple of sprays out to get it on out the way. Oh my goodness, yes. Baby, this right here. Oh my goodness. This is a cheerful, cheerful, cheerful smell. It made me happy, y'all. This smells beautiful. This smells like a Jolly Rancher with a now and later. And you know those long stick Jolly Ranchers, them long ones, or the short ones, y'all. But it smells like that. Oh my goodness, this smells so good. Oh my god, oh my baby. Okay, listen, this right here, when I wear this, you're gonna know that I'm in beast mode. This is beast mode, okay? This is beast mode right here. I believe that this will last, the protection in this will last a long time. I believe that this will stay on you for a long, this smells like a Jolly Rancher, y'all. This smells so good. And the lychees that I ate, yes, it smells like those lychees, like you can just taste it in your mouth. That's what it is. That's what it tastes like. I mean, it's like once you smell it, I don't know if you guys have smelled a perfume and it's felt like you can taste it. It's mouth watering. Let's just say that. So this is very mouth watering. And when I smelled the Kayali is very, very playful. I mean, very playful, very confident. You know, you feel like, you know, I got it going on. Okay, smell me. I'm gonna come in here, but you're going to smell me, which is going to walk in the door before I even get in there. So your smell from the Kayali is definitely going to be like, I'm going to go in first and then you come. Okay. And that's how that is. And you walk in the same steps, baby, but it still goes before you. Okay. So with this, I get this same thing. This smells really pretty, really, really pretty. It smells like, somewhat of a floral, but a candied like floral type. Let me see what this is again. A candied type floral. All I know is that this fragrance right here is very playful as well. It's on here. It's not going anywhere. The dry down is getting even sweeter. Let's say that. You know how someone, when you open it up, it smells like alcohol? No, baby. No. This do not smell like alcohol. This smells like, oh my goodness, this smells so beautiful. So beautiful. Let me get back to this. So the notes in here is the apple. I do smell an apple, but it's more like, I smell like a, it smells between an apple and a watermelon. How am I getting that? I don't know. Maybe it's the violet. The vanilla, I do smell some vanilla. Musk, I don't really smell a musk. I don't really smell a musk, but I do smell a rose. Y'all forgive me. Okay, y'all, sorry about that. But yes, this is dream. This is a dream. It's like you just laying back and you relaxing, honey, and you just smelling flowers. I smell flowers. Oh my goodness, this smells so good. I smell a lot of candy in this. It's very, very sweet. Very juicy. The apple in here smells very juicy, but it smells like an apple and a watermelon to me. I don't know how I'm getting a watermelon, but it smells like it's mouth watering, like it's juicy. You know, this right here, I wouldn't say this is like date night. I would say this is beast mode though, but I would say that this is definitely spring, summer. Actually, you know what? I wear my perfumes anytime I want to. It could be winter, spring, summer, fall. If I feel like it works for me, I'm going to wear that perfume. I want you to know that. But this right here is very playful, y'all. I keep saying playful. Very, very playful. It smells really sweet, really beautiful, really beautiful. It's like it's made for a princess. I can get an older person wearing this too, but I get more of a younger generation wearing this. This is beautiful. This is so, oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. The rose, I don't get the rose. You know, I don't get the rose. I don't know what I'm getting, but I'm getting something. The sandalwood, I do get the sandalwood. And of course, the lemon. You do smell the lemon. Maybe this, the lemon, the red apple, and something else is giving me that watermelon, but this is beautiful. That's all I'm saying. This is beautiful. Y'all, so I got this from Amazon for, how much I paid for this? I think it was like 43 or something like that. Y'all, this perfume is just so beautiful. It's okay. So all I have on today is just the Cocoa Vanilla by Pink, and I have on the Cotton Candy Clouds. That's what I have on here, guys. This is all I have on today is the Cotton Candy Clouds, which I got from the Sads the other day, and I got the Cocoa Vanilla from Pink. This is what I have on today. And sometimes you don't have to have a perfume on, because sometimes these right here, they will hit that spot for you. But I know that it will blend in with this right here, because this right here has the notes that I believe that can go with it. Just like if you mix chocolate with vanilla, who say you can't mix Choco Must with strawberry pound cake? Who says that? Okay, because then you'll smell like a dessert. So this one in here has the notes of spun sugar, pink berries, and whipped vanilla. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray it on here because this smell amazing. Oh my goodness, I smell like a Jolly Rancher, a Now and Later. See, it's mouth watering, y'all. I cannot describe this. This is beautiful. Now I have the Yum Pistachio, but I'm gonna tell you this. I understand why this is sold out, and this smells beautiful, but this smells way beautiful than this one. If I can say way beautiful, okay. This one right here smells wonderful, wonderful. If I was to get this one or this one, it would be this one, okay, because it smells so beautiful, so beautiful. It smells edible. It's mouth watering. It's playful. It's cheerful. I feel confident in it. I feel like I'm that girl. You know, I have, you know, I can't describe it, y'all. Just get it, okay? Just get it, because this is a beautiful smell. A very, very beautiful smell. And I'm going to tell you another one by Lattafa. This one here by Lattafa is for the Eden Juicy Apple, Kayali Juicy Apple. Now, this one right here, it smells amazing. This smells really good. But the Eden Juicy Apple, honey, okay? This smells like probably 95% of it, but I think that I would buy the Kayali Juicy Apple, Eden Juicy Apple, okay? Because it's more sweeter and it's more playful. So it's straightforward in your face, okay? This one right here, it smells amazing. But the Kayali Eden Juicy Apple, girl, please, you can't tell me nothing. I was splurge, okay? I was splurge. Now, as far as the Kayali, the Lychee, Eden Sparkling Lychee, I would buy this and I would buy the Kayali. I would buy this and I would splurge. And the reason why I say that is because, why not, okay? So I have to find some place for my baby, my new baby, y'all. And it smells amazing. Even with the, okay, I smell that violet now and the dry down. Okay, let this dry down a little bit, y'all. I smell that violet, definitely. Oh, this is so sweet. This is so good. All right, y'all. So I just want to let y'all see this unboxing. I do have a Five Below that I keep telling you guys that I have. I have it, but I wanted to get this out the way. This is Parish Corner. And this is Car Fusion. They have it back in stock. So get your hands on it when you do. You're going to love it. Thank me later, okay? You're going to love it. Please tell me once you get it and once you smell it. And you'll be like, Jay, I have a good nose, y'all, okay? And I have good style and class when it comes down to a perfume. So, yes. All right, guys. So, like that baby says, be blessed and not stressed.